Hey everyone, welcome back to the first lecture of this section. So far, we've seen Gemini's standard chat interface, like the ones we are used to working with in different messengers. It's great for a quick question, getting feedback, or brainstorming, but it can feel a bit limited when you are working on a brand new document or a piece of content that needs multiple revisions. This is because when you are drafting something complex, you need more than a back and forth conversation. You need a workspace with various editing tools. That's where Gemini Canvas comes in. Think of Gemini Canvas as a collaborative workspace. In a standard chat, the AI gives you an answer, and if you want to change one sentence, you usually have to ask for the whole thing to be rewritten. In Canvas, Gemini opens a side-by-side window. On the left, you have your chat. On the right, you have a living document. It's no longer just a chatbot, it is an editor sitting right next to you. You can click into the text, change words yourself, or highlight a specific paragraph and tell Gemini, make just this part punchier. If that sounds good, wait until you hear this. Canvas is not just for writing, it's also for building. Right from the interface menu, you can generate web pages, visual infographics for complex data, and even study tools like quizzes and flashcards. For those who prefer listening, there are audio overviews that create a podcast-style summaries of your findings. Perhaps most impressively, you can generate functional mini apps. Simply describe a tool like a family recipe organizer or a personal cat calendar, and Canvas will build and run the code for you in real time. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to describe what the tool should do, a process now known as vibe coding. Now, because Canvas is so powerful, it can be tempting to jump straight into building apps and games. However, we are going to take this one step at a time. For now, in this section of the course, we are going to focus entirely on document drafting. Using an imaginary AI mattress company as our example, we will see how to use the Canvas workspace to refine a narrative and generate supporting visuals in one fluid session. Once we have mastered document creation, we will move into the more advanced features like interactive app creation and rapid prototyping later on in the course. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to open the Canvas interface, and we will start our very first collaborative draft. I'll catch you in the next one.